Apunte! Consumatum est!
Good morning everyone, I'm Catherine A. Perenio and I am the last reporter of our group sa final topic. So kay ako man ang last nga reporter sa among grupo, so akong topic is all about sa unsay mga nabuhat or gibuhat ni Rizal sa iyang remaining time nga nabilin diri sa kalibutan. Martyrdom at Bagumbayan. Rizal already know that there is no way that his destiny would be changed. Rizal knew it was his end and had accepted his fate. So si Rizal nakahibaw na nga di na mausob ang iyang destiny nga which is na mamatay si Jaden. Kahibaw na po si Rizal nga ani na tama na iyang life ma-end natin. Gi-accept na niya, he accepted his fate. Captain Rafael Dominguez at 6 o'clock in the morning of December 29, 1896 read before him the official notice of his execution. Scheduled the next day, Rizal was immediately transferred to the prison chapel where he spent his last hours on earth. So si Rizal gibalhin sa prison chapel where he spent his last hours on earth. Yun. Sa prison chapel, daghag ning visits ni Rizal. Sila si Father Miguel Sadera Mata, Father Luis Veza, Father Antonio Russell, L.T. Taviel de Anraid, Father Federico Faura, Father Jose Villaclara, Father Vicente Balaguer, Santiago Mataix, Teodora Alonzo, Trinidad, o si Gaspar Castañano. Moto sila ang mga ni-visit ni Rizal sa prison chapel. Then late night, around 10 o'clock, a retraction letter prepared by Archbishop Bernardino Nozaleda was presented to Rizal. However, he rejected it for being too long. Father Balaguer, on the other hand, showed another draft from Father Pio P, which Rizal liked but wanted some parts of which be changed. Pagka 11:30 p.m., si Rizal nag-signed na sa retraction letter in which he renounced the Mason movement. Witnesses to this event were Juan del Fresno, chief of the guard detail, and Eloy Moore, assistant of the plaza. Rizal then confessed to Father Villaclara, and after which sleep. 2 hours later, he rose up and prayed and confessed again. Inside the chapel, he knelt before the altar and prayed with the rosary. So, si Rizal ni-confess ni Father Villaclara, then pagkahuma natog na siya, then 2 hours later, ni mata na sa siya, nag-pray din, ni-confess na pod. Then, inside the chapel, si Rizal, niluhod at tubangan sa altar, nag-pray with the rosary. Then, pagka 3:30, sa December 30, 1896, 3:30 in the morning, si Father Balaguer lead a mass. Then, Rizal once again made a confession and received communion. So, ni-confess na sa si Rizal, then naka-receive si Jaog communion. Then, pagka 5 a.m., Rizal ate his last breakfast and autographs the memorabilia including religious pictures and books which will be passed on to his mother and sister Trinidad. So, pagka alas 5 a.m. si Rizal namahaw na mo na to iyahang last breakfast, then nag-autograph siya sa mga memorabilia. Then pagka 6:30 a.m. si Rizal nag-march na padong sa Bagumbayan commence. He, in his black suit, black necktie, black hat, black shoes, and white vest, calmly walked from his prison cell in Fort Santiago to the execution site with L.T. Taviel de Anraid on the side, then Fathers Stanislao March and Jose Villaclara on the other side. They walked behind 4 advance guards armed with bayonets. So pagka 6:30 a.m. si Rizal naglakaw padong sa Bagumbayan commence. Kauban niya sa Pika side si L.T. Taviel de Anraid, then ang Pika side na pod ang duha ka pare nga sina Father Stanislao March and Jose Villaclara, then walk behind sa fort kay ang guards armed with bayonets. Jose Rizal tied behind from elbow to elbow, although still had the freedom to move his arms. In his right arm was a rosary which he keep on holding until his final breath. So si Rizal tied up from elbow to elbow, then still had the freedom to move his arm. Then sa iyang right arm naggunit siya og rosaryohan which iyang gikip taman sa iyang final breath. In the Bagumbayan field, Rizal shook hands of the two priests and his defender, bidding them farewell. So nagbay na si Rizal nila. Then si Rizal na ay usa ka order or request nga that he be shot facing the firing squad. However, ang captain sa squad ordered nga backshot. So mo to si Rizal is wala na si Jay choice kay command naman ang captain sa firing squad nga backshot. Then the firing squad was commanded the unison with drum beats. Upon the brisk command, fire. The guns of the squad played. So mo to ning command na nga fire, then pag ingog fire, butog pabuto na sila. Then ang crowd sa Spaniards together with sa ilahang kusog o klaro nga tingog is ning shout sila nga long live Spain, death to traitor. So pagkahumanda to, at exactly 7:03 in the morning of December 30, si Rizal namatay. So pagka alas 6, nag-march pa si Rizal sa padung sa Bagumbayan. Then pagka alas 7:03, si Rizal namatay na. Then the remains of Rizal were transferred to the base of the present monument at the Luneta on December 12, 1912. So nabali na sa kuan ni Rizal sa Luneta pagka December 12, 1912. And maora to tanan ang ang topic. So mao to tanan ang nahitabo or nabuhat ni Rizal before si Jan namatay. And that's it.